how to create an ink outline effect in Illustrator. Now first thing, open an image. Once you've got an image, just go to the window and layers. Now select a layer and then use the right side menu and duplicate layer. So now you've got two layers. Now select the top layer, and once you've got that, go to the effect menu and stylize and glowing edges. Now what I want is actually an edge, but I'm just going to get the glowing edges because that's the only effect available for edges. So glowing edges, set the edge width, etc. Edge brightness, up to you what you want. I'm just going to go for those settings. Click OK, depends obviously on the image. Click OK. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is expand the appearance. Object menu and expand appearance, because it's actually a live effect. So it's a live effect, and I want to change the colour because I want to invert it. So expand appearance. Now, go to the edit menu and edit colours and invert. Once you've actually inverted it, you can see now you've got a white background. You haven't got that black background. It's got something like the find edges in Photoshop. Now, click Image Trace because we want to vectorize the edges. So, click there. And now, Window menu for the Image Trace menu as well, for the panel. And I want it in black and white. And you can change the threshold as you want, depending on the image as well. So, I'm just going to tweak the threshold. But the mode needs to be black and white. Once you're happy with that, obviously just show you window and image trace. Once you're happy with that, what you need to do then is expand it. So click the expand, just there, expand the vector design. So now what you can do, you can tweak it again. You can actually ungroup it, object menu and ungroup. Once you've ungrouped it, what you can do, you can actually then select the white, or obviously the black as well, but select the white and then go to select menu and same and fill and stroke. Right, what you can do then, delete it, just press the delete key, delete it, and now you've got that ink outline. Now you could stop at that point if you want the original image and that. But I also want to apply a graphic pen effect. So select the background, underline layer, image, go to the effect menu and sketch, or go to the effect gallery as well, you can find it in there, and go for graphic pen. Okay, now I'm going to change the stroke length. I'm going to set it fairly low, set the balance as required as well, up to you what you want for your effect. Just put it about the middle, I think. Once you're happy with that, click OK, and there you have it. Very quick outline, ink outline, plus a graphic pen effect as well. Hope you found this of interest. Please subscribe, always add in new tutorials. Also, please add some comments. That'd be great. Thank you much.